Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 4, really just part 2 of this series. I said in the last video that this would, when I rotated off center, that it would make a pretty cool shape. And the fact that it looks like it's going into the abyss because I filled this in with black. So there's no white triangle back there. But the reason I decided to make the video is you'd be a lot better off to clone these items. So I'm going to do the exact same thing I did with the Smart Fill tool in the previous video. And I'm going to nudge it over. And the only reason I'm nudging it over is because I want to keep that shape in case something happens during this video and I don't get it made. And then we're going to left click, right click, and then we need to find, just like before, we need to find the true center of this triangle. And there's the midpoint, go up to there. There's the midpoint, go up to there. Now, the difference is this time, I'm not going to Control D, I'm going to go to Edit and clone it. Move the center rotation to there, and I'm going to rotate it that 120 degrees. Control D. The difference is, now I can do anything to this one with the interactive fill tool and see it in live real time, what it's going to look like when it's done. You know, do I want it like this? Do I want it like that? And do I want it like that? Do I want a little bit more in the bottom? Do I want it more, inwardly? Do I want to take it out that way? You get to see what it's going to look like by cloning. Now we can get rid of that. And the good thing about it, you can do whatever you want to it, and you still have that, you could make this red. You could make this blue again with a light blue, just the opposite. Instead of a shadow, it's, maybe you could do those opposite. Have a dark shadow of blue. I don't think anything's going to be better than this blue with the dark black as a shadow because it looks like it's folded in there. But you could make it red. What happens if you put it to purple and then a lighter purple on the outside? Looks pretty good. Hard to beat that blue though. So that's the clone. I made several videos, or a lot of videos on the clone. And this came out pretty good too. To me, it looks like it fell into the abyss. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.